recording started. I think you can all now see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this
Yes,
I will.
sir.
All right. So you can see that we have now three different classes of this Markov chain, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And state 3 is the absorbing state. Any other question from this question before we go further? All right. So no question. Let us go further. Now, now there is another very good fact that we will try to understand. And that is, let us say if I start, if I am in a state I, and Fi, it denotes a probability that when I am starting from this state I, the process will ever yani ki process will come back to state I. What is the probability that the process will come back to state I? All right. Or what is the probability that the process will never come back to state I? All right. So this state I will be called a recurrent state if this Fi is equal to 1. This means there is a definite probability that the state in a Markov chain, you are going to different states. So you will be coming back to this state. Okay. So let us say if you are in a single class, for example, then yes, all the states are accessible from one another. Then this means that yes, I state will be recurrent. So you will be entering the same state maybe after some time, after a very large time, but you will be entering. So you will be at some point of time in state I, and hence this Fi will be equal to 1. That you will, that going to this, coming back to the state, you will be definitely coming back to this. That is why probability is 1. Once it is 1, then this means you are dead sure that you will be coming to state 1. Now, if you are not sure, you might come, then you might not come. All right. In that case, my probability, the same Fi probability will be less than 1. All right. If I am 100% sure. In that case, this state is called recurrent state. But if I am not 100% sure that my state will come, and the probability will be less than 1, and this state I then will be called a transient state. All right. So let us say that the process starts in I state, and I state is recurrent. All right. Oh, right, coffee. जोर से गाना भी. So I just couldn't stop it. All right. So what we do that we try to complete, I think, this much paragraph, then we can take a break for 15 minutes. This paragraph we complete and we take a 15 minutes for our prayers. Then we can come back and end our class at 7 o'clock. Right? Acha. So, क्या कह रहे थे हम? So, so if the state
एक question है.
Yeah, अच्छा जी. पूछो.
सर ये जो recurrent कि जिसमें वो कहता है Fi is equal to 1 और less than 1 के लिए transient है, ये दोनों states ये बता रही हैं कि इसमें communication process जो communication है वो possible है कि नहीं, ये बताना चाह रही हैं ये states.
कम्युनिक नहीं, ये आपने थोड़ा सा आगे का सवाल पूछ लिया. We cannot say that it directly maps to communication, but you can see some of the underlying meanings. For example, if I say that my Fi is equal to 1, or I am in a recurrent state, then it means that I will always remain in the same class. ठीक है ना? But let us say if I have many other class, I don't have a single class. I have 2-3 classes. Then in that case, I will be in a transient state, because once the Markov chain goes out of my class into some other class, and there might be that there is no accessibility from that class to my class, then yes, you will be in the transient state, because then your state will not be recurrent. So you can just say at this point in time that this transient or this reoccurrence gives us an idea of class. Okay? But further than that, it is difficult to say. You can also say that we are able to communicate, but two-way communication, one-way communication with every other set, you cannot predict further. आई समझ आया आपको? For number 10.
जी थैंक यू सर.
अच्छा, हम क्या कह रहे थे अभी? So if it is recurrent, then I will definitely enter. Recurrent means that you are in the single class. As we will see in a further way, that you are in the same class, so you have to come back to this number after some time, or after a lot of time. You will eventually re-enter state I. However, the definition of Markov chain, it follows that process will be starting over again. Yes, when it re-enters state I, and therefore state I will eventually be visited again. Yes, it will be visited again and again. Continued repetition of this argument is a conclusion that if a state I is recurrent, then starting in state I, the process will re-enter state I again and again, in fact, infinitely often. Yes. So we will be seeing that if it is a recurrent state, condition if it is recurrent means Fi is equal to 1. Yes, this means actually you will see that you are in the same class and you will be visiting this I state again and again. All right. So we finish at this point. Next point is a little bit tricky. It needs understanding from the geometric random variable, which I think we have not studied. So we also need to revise that. So I will end this here, taking क्या कहते हैं उसको break. So मैं stop recording.